Oh, no. Hey.
Now, Jameson's tune is played out of your marshmallow hand. Just kidding, it's a mini fridge full of features you could open with the jar of a morning inside.
What are you doing, myself?
Gary, try using a nightlight shaped like a creature trying to unplug
Like, you don't smell it, I'm sorry.
Light your wick with a color lamp, like a cup of melting chocolate, pouring all over.
You love celery. She doesn't stop messing with it. It's like we brought this home last time, and this is all she did. I think she fell asleep on it last time and wouldn't let it go. Because last time she fell asleep and her hand is up. Oh, no.
Going after the onion. What the heck?
Going after the onion. I should bring that out. Is it in plastic wrap?
Yes.
Okay, Mittens, tell us. Out of the onions and the celery, which one do you like most? Get the one you like most. Oh, you like this one? Hey, no lick. Don't lick it. Okay, so you like this one. Hey, whoa, stop. You like this one? Here you go. Oh, well, now you're going after your celery again. Are you going to lay on it? Looks like you're going to lay on it. Ow.
Yeah.
Oh, now she's going after the plastic. Hey, no, stop. Stop.
No, I think there's carrots are in there.
Oh, now you... No, oh, sorry. She's going after these now. I'm going to get...
No. Are you kidding? No. She wants her celery.
Hold on.
Don't do that to her. No, she doesn't want that.
You want this? You want this?
No.
Nope. You want your celery. Your celery.
Don't force it on her.
Go on. Celery's all yours.
She's done.
You don't want celery no more?
Yeah, I think she's done.
Want the onion?
Fine.
Yes, I want the onion.
Yeah, Nick. It's in the bag.
What are you doing? Should we feed her like the celery, not the onion?
No, celery.
Is that okay?
I'm going after the plastic bag.
Okay, wait. There's still something in here.
Don't pull everything out.
No, I'm just saying there's still something in here.
I think she's done.
Wait.
Sean, walk out.
My favorite is my land.
Sean, stop.
Tomato.
No. It's mainly the plastic is what
Oh.
you like. No, do not bite the plastic.
Stop.
No, don't do that.
You done?
Yeah, she's done.
No. What's up with you? Stop it. What are you doing?
Sonny, back up. You're too close.
No, don't eat the plastic.
Okay, Son, time to stop. Son, time to stop.